Hello students, today I am coming with a new chapter, that is chapter 7, solids, liquid and gases. Okay, before moving towards this chapter, firstly I would like to share one things, that what does it mean. As you know that what does it mean? It means all the living things and non-living things is made up of matter. Okay, all the living things and as well as non-living things is made up of matter. Okay, so what does it mean? What do you mean by matter? Matter, it means anything. Matter, it means anything that occupies space, and has mass, okay, is called matter. What does it mean? Firstly, I would like to tell you that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay, and you know matter is made up of a smallest particle. Matter is made up of small particles, that is known as molecules. Okay, so what are molecules? Molecules are the small particles. Molecules, it means the smallest particles. Okay, and matter is made up of molecule. So matter is made up of small particles, that is known as molecules. Get it my point, students? So here anything, it means you can take the example like water. Water has weight, and when you are keeping the water into the glass, and means the glass is filled with the water, it means the water occupies space in the glass. Okay, like look here, like this board is also occupies some space. This is the space which is occupied by this board. This is the space which is occupied by this scale. So this is also a matter, and this is also a matter, and all this matter is made up of small particle, that is known as molecule. Getting my point, student? So here you can take the more example like a bed which is in your house, kitchen. Inside the kitchen there is a gas cylinder. In your bedroom there is a bed, chairs. These all are, so all these things are the matter, and all these things are occupied space also. Okay, cover the space, you can say. So matter is made up of small particles, that is called molecule. Okay, so how many states of matter? So state of matter is three types. Okay, there is a three state of matter. Matter can be solid, matter can be liquid, and matter can be gas. So how many state of matter is there? Three state of matter: the solid, liquid as well as gas. Now one by one I would like to tell about the solid. Okay students? So students, let's have a look about the how the arrangement of molecules in solid. Okay, earlier we had already discussed about what do you mean by the matter. Matter, it means anything that occupies space and having mass. Okay, so all these things are known as matter. Matter can be living things and it may be non-living things. Okay students, and you know one more thing, matter, all the matter is made up of small particles, and all the matter is made up of small particles, and small particles is known as molecules. Getting my point? So here we will see about the how the arrangement of molecules in solid. Suppose this is a scale, this is also a matter, and it is also made up of small molecules. This is also made up of small molecules, small particles, that is known as molecules. So in solid, molecules are very closely packed. Suppose this is a scale and it is also having a numerous number of molecules. It is made up of a numerous number of molecules, but the molecules arrangement is very closely packed. Closely packed means there is no space, there is no gap between one another molecules. Okay, and the next one is they cannot flow. Solid cannot flow, solid cannot flow. Okay, and one more thing, solids have a fixed shape and volume. This is also having a fixed shape. We can't able to change its shape. It is having a fixed shape as well as having a molecule volume also. Okay, and they cannot move away from each other. It means we are talking about the molecules. Molecules cannot move away from each other. They cannot able to move here and there. Okay, they cannot able to move here and there because there is a strong force of attraction between the molecules. Okay, between the molecule means one molecules, you can say that there is a molecules, but there is no gap in between the solid. There is no gap in between the solid. That's why they cannot able to move away from here and there, due to there is a presence of strong force of attraction. Okay, due to the presence of strong force of attraction, the molecules in the solid cannot able to move away from each other. They cannot able to move here and there. Get it my point? So these all things you have to remember, students. In in solid, molecules are very closely packed. In solid, molecules are very closely packed and they cannot flow. They cannot flow. It means the molecules in solid cannot flow. Okay. Solids have a fixed shape and volume. They cannot move away from each other because there is a strong force of attraction. Because there is a strong force of attraction between the molecules. Okay, between the molecules there is a strong force of attraction. Okay, students. So now we will learn something more about the how the arrangement of molecules in liquid. So students, let's have a look about the how the arrangement of molecules in liquid. Okay, earlier we had already discussed about the how the arrangement of molecule in solid. Okay, in the solid we had already taught about that there is no gapping between the molecules. It means you can say they are tightly packed. They are tightly packed. All the molecules which is present inside the solid, all the molecules are tightly packed. That's why they cannot move here and there. How they can tightly pack? Due to there is a presence of strong force of attraction. Strong force of attraction in solid. Okay. Now here we will discuss about how the arrangement of molecule in liquid. It means liquid do not have fixed shape. Liquid do not have fixed shape. Because in which shape you are going to pour it, the liquid can take that shape. Suppose liquids take the shape of the container in which they are poured into. If you are going to pour in a mug, then the liquid can take the shape of mug. If you are pour into the bottle, or if you are pour into the plate, that take the shape of plate. So they don't have fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. Okay, in the case of liquid, if we are talking about, liquid do not have fixed shape but have fixed volume. Okay, they can flow easily. If you pour the liquid here, they can easily flow. Okay, so they can easily flow. The molecules are not very close to each other. The molecules in liquid, the molecules are not very close to each other due to presence of weak force of attraction. Okay, student, you have to remember in the liquid there is a weak force of attraction. In solid there is a strong force of attraction. Get it my point? This is also the difference between the solid and liquid. According to taking the example of arrangement of molecules, then you can give the differences between the strong force of attraction is present in solid, but in the liquid there is the presence of weak force of attraction. Okay, between the molecules, so they can move and slide over each other. They can easily move with each other. They can easily slide over each other. Okay, they can easily move. Why? Because there is a weak force of attraction. Okay, and you know the molecules in liquid are not very close. The molecules in liquid, the arrangement of molecules in liquid, here you can see the structure, they are not very close to each other. Okay, due to the weak force of attraction, that's why they can easily move from here and there. They can slide over each other. Okay, students, you must know these things. Okay, how the arrangement of molecules in liquid. Okay, so now we will discuss about how the arrangement of molecule in gases. So students, what will happen with the arrangement of molecule in gases? The arrangement of molecule in gases is like this. The force of attraction between the molecules is very weak. The force of attraction between the molecule is very weak, or you can say they are loosely packed molecules in gases. the arrangement of molecule in gases are very loosely packed. That's why they can freely move. Okay, as you can see, the balloon is filled with the air and leave it, it can move upward due to the lighter weight of gases. Okay, and how the arrangement of molecule in gases? The arrangement of molecule in gases is very loosely packed. Okay, very loosely means all the molecules are very far from each other. Means one molecule is here, there second molecule is here, third molecule is here, like this. They are very far from each other. That's why they are free to move. Get it my point? And you know, this make the gas flow easily and fill the container completely in which they are kept. Okay. So this is the arrangement of molecules we had already discussed. Okay. Thank you.